Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I'm going to explain the creation of sales voucher. So before I'm going to explain what is meant by sales. Sales is a sale of goods sold by businessman to his customers. Means a sale of goods sold by businessman to his customers. Now I'm going to explain the sales voucher in three different modes. One is for through the cash sales, through the check and through the party. So first we have to open the Tally software. Here it's already KP company is there. Okay, now I'm going to vouchers. In that F8 is the sales voucher. The shortcut key of sales voucher is F8. Okay, now I'm going to explain the creation of sales voucher through the cash. Now I'm giving the invoice number through the cash. Cash will come automatically. Now sales ledger is already there. If it is not there means you can create with the shortcut key of Alt C. Sales under sales account. Okay, now here some items already created. For example, you can take lava, quantity, rate, amount. Next you can go for Redmi. Being goods sold by cash. Being goods sold by cash. Okay, so this is for cash sales. Now if you are selling through check, so I have to create any name of the bank. For example, you can take ICICI Bank under bank account. Sales already created. Now I am selecting the same items like lava. Next Redmi. Being goods sold through check. Being goods sold through check. Okay, means through the check or through the bank. Now if you are selling through the any name of the party, see for example I am selecting the party Alt C. You can take NN and company as a sundry debtor. Okay, for sales we have to give a sundry debtor. Debtor is a person one who receives. Okay, now here sales ledger. Now you can take lava, Redmi. Being goods sold through party. Being narration. Being goods sold through party. Being goods sold through the party. Okay, so if you want to see all the vouchers together, you can go for reports. Here reports, in that you can go for display daybook. Here you are finding all the three sales voucher what I created. Okay, now if you want to alter, select it. Now the screen itself showing us accounting voucher alteration. Okay, if you want to alter, now for example I am creating different stock item. Also you can take it as Gioni. It comes under cell phone. Now same quantity you can give, price 8500, amount. Okay, so this is the creation alteration of the voucher. If you want to delete, select it, which one you want to delete, Alt D. Okay, whatever the voucher you are deleting, that voucher should be on screen and press Alt D. It is delete, yes. Okay, so this is the creation of sales voucher, alteration and deletion. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.